I'm here at the Presbyterian Clinic where police say the attack happened. The victim says it's very sad that someone would rob and beat him for something so minor.
All of a sudden, I feel an arm around my neck and a pop up beside the head. Next thing, I'm on the pavement and being stomped, and I had lost consciousness.
In February, 72-year-old Frank Walsh was on his way to a doctor's appointment.
Woke back up and my face is just crushed on the right side.
According to a police report, Walsh was turning into the clinic hospital parking lot when he saw Jesus Solorano Pacheco and his girlfriend. He wasn't sure whether or not they were going to cross the walkway, so he honked his horn to signal it was okay to cross. But when he parked his car, he said he was attacked.
It leaves you no choice but to be upset, to be taken down and robbed.
Walsh was left with broken teeth, a broken rib, a broken eye socket, and had to get reconstructive facial surgery to the entire right side of his face.
And it's been a royal pain. The surgery, I could not believe how difficult the cheek reconstruction was.
Police say Solorzano Pacheco also took Walsh's cell phone, bag, and wallet. Today, Solorzano Pacheco was in court, and he will stay in jail without bail until further notice.
I hope he can somehow be held accountable for his actions.
And Solorzano Pacheco says that Walsh hit his girlfriend with his car, but a witness who was at the scene said that she didn't see that. Reporting live from Northeast Albuquerque, Marissa Armas, KOAT Action 7 News.